This bottle was the last of this attempt. I wanted to try a patriotic look and I was ready to try it on a big bottle. I primed it with white and created the bullseye with red and blue.
No, don't come back up. Don't come back up. Oh, snap. That looks like it has stars.
Father, save me.
Welcome back to DIY No Need to Cry with Embellishments. Let's get started. Hi my crafty fam, and if you're new to my channel, welcome! As you saw, this is one of the bottles from my hydro dipping video. I'm working on all of my hydro dip bottles, and I can't wait to show you. For today, I'll be showing you how I finished my patriotic bottle using a few simple embellishments. I had the idea to utilize that spot and turn it into a focal point. I'll be using these puffy glitter sticker stars I had in my crafting supplies. I also wanted to add in God We Trust lettering, so I printed it out and will be decoupaging it on. I'll be using Instant Gorilla Glue to stick the stars on permanently, but not until I figure out their placement. Once I was happy with the design, I glued them down. I designed and printed out the lettering I wanted. It just needs to be trimmed before decoupaging. Once it was trimmed, I measured where I wanted to place it. I held one side, lifted it off, spread some Mod Podge, and decoupaged it onto the bottle. And I gave it one last layer of Mod Podge to seal it in. Once that was dry, using loose red glitter and Mod Podge, I filled in the letters. Once that was dry, I brushed off all the loose glitter. To finish it, I traced, cut, and glued a piece of red crafting felt to the bottom of the bottle. Here it is, all finished. I love how this bottle turned out. I didn't want to add too much because it already had a lot going on. The hydro dip design came out beautiful on its own. I just wanted to fix the spot that was missing and finalize the design. What do you guys think? What would you have done differently? Let me know. I love hearing your creative ideas. Well, that's it for this week's video. I'm having so much fun designing the hydro dips and I can't wait to share them all. I hope this inspired you and that you recycle something of your own, just as long as you remember to have fun, be creative, and make a mess. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs it up as it helps the growth of the channel and to show your support. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to get updates on future videos. And remember, do it yourself. There's no need to cry.